That strategy that you just explained and talked about, is that something you've come up with yourself, or is it something that is quite known in the industry, or how would you describe your way of working?
So the field of systems theory, I mean, in a sense, it's ancient because, you know, all human recorded communities all the way back to the Bronze Age have been thinking about the flow of things. We've just expressed that in very different ways. So, for example, in the ancient past, people conveyed information through the likes of mythology and you know, rituals and stories. But really this past, well, it was the sort of the early 1900s that the field of systems theory really started to evolve. And this past 20 or so years, as we've had the tools to look at systems in much greater detail, both at the nanoscopic scale and then all the way up to the universal scale, it has become a much more technical field in a sense, in that, you know, we're no longer dealing with things that are abstract as such. We're seeing that which was invisible in the past. So you know, my work, as it were, is part of a much bigger school, but a school that's really very quickly growing, and in the scheme of scientific things is quite recent, in the sense that, you know, we're doing stuff today that just wasn't possible when the likes of Newton were knocking around.